Alright.
Am I on?
Yeah.
Okay, we're on the Carnival Fascination, sailing out of Jacksonville, Florida. We have room 260, and that is a window room. And let's see what our room looks like. Oh, there's our window. You put this luggage mat down for you to set your luggage on so you wouldn't mess up your bed. We got a little reading light right here, little chair in the corner, got our beach towels, got our vanity over here. I'm not sure where the light switch is yet. Got our little stocked bar here. Got the telephone. It's already set up with ice. We got some drawers down here. Got 4 drawers. Well, that one's kind of sticking. Have a little bench seat where you can sit and do your makeup and hair, or sit down and write. We have a closet here. Oh, look at that. We got bathrobes. Got our life jackets up there. Okay. Some more closet space, some extra blankets. And the bathroom. Ooh, watch your step here. Your step's way up. Where's the light switch?
Oh.
There we go. Got a little shower here with some shampoo and conditioner, some soap.
They charge for that?
No, that's free. And then we got our little tiny toilet, some bath towels, wash rags, sink. And it's got more shampoo, soap, and a little bit of toothpaste there. A little drinking glass. And let's see what our window looks like. Got our TV up here in the corner.
Nothing on.
Reading light, reading lamps above the bed. They're really soft. Wow, those are soft. And this is our view. We haven't took off yet. And that's it for our window room.